What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today we're going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the LED jack-o'-lantern with sound from Cracker Barrel. Alright you guys, so I actually got this prop a couple of days ago. I went to the Cracker Barrel store, as you guys saw on the channel, and yeah, we have this guy now. So let's just get into this. There shouldn't be really a setup, it's just basically an unboxing. So yeah, let's get straight into this box. Yep, just the pumpkin coming right out with a little bit of packaging. But this is actually a pretty nice sized pumpkin. I think it's pretty cool. I see, okay, there's definitely gonna be some screws, which I was hoping there wasn't, but there definitely is. So let's get this unpackaged. Taking it out right now, and yeah, this is a pretty high quality thing. For what it is $40, I believe, and yeah, I think it's actually pretty good. From what I can see, there's lights on, so you can turn the lights on and off as you please. And also, there's a volume control knob in the back, if you guys can see that. So I'm going to pop some batteries in this thing and we can see it work. All right guys, here we go. The LED pumpkin with sound.
Don't be scared. Stop in for a spell. Release your fear onto me.
All right guys, I think this thing's pretty cool. Honestly, for $40, I think you're getting a lot for what you pay for. It's a very high quality material. It seems pretty waterproof, honestly. There's 4 screws in the back for the battery compartment, and you can adjust the volume. So I think it's a really cool thing. I probably consider it an animatronic, honestly. It actually is just an animatronic. It is static, but it doesn't have any animation, but it does, yeah, it lights up and everything. So yeah, for $40, I think that's a good price because I think this thing will last a very long time. And it'll be in the haunts for sure. So yeah, all right guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave a link in the description if you want to purchase this thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.